How do you use the JavaScript local storage object? Imagine you're browsing a website and your preferences are saved without you having to log in again. That's the magic of local storage in action. Today, we're going to see how you can store data in the browser so your website remembers things for you. The JavaScript local storage object is part of the Web Storage Application Programming Interface, which lets websites save data directly in your browser. This data stays there even after you close the tab or shut down your computer. It's perfect for saving small bits of information like user settings, preferences, or simple data that you want to keep across sessions. To use local storage, you mainly work with four methods. First is setItem. This method saves data by giving it a key and a value. Both must be strings. For example, if you want to save a username, you write local storage setItem with the key name and the user's name as the value. So you'd write local storage, setItem, username, Jane Doe. This stores the name Jane Doe under the key username. Next is getItem. This retrieves the data stored under a specific key. If the key doesn't exist, it returns null. For example, to get the username you saved earlier, you'd write letUser is equal to local storage. getItem, username. Now, the variable user will hold the string Jane Doe. If you want to remove a specific piece of data, you use removeItem. For example, local storage. removeItem, username, deletes the username from storage. If you want to clear everything stored in local storage for that website, you use clear. Just write local storage clear, and all data will be wiped out. You can also check how many items are stored by looking at local storage length. It tells you the number of key-value pairs. To get a key at a specific position, you use local storage key with an index. For example, local storage key 0 gives you the first key stored. Since local storage only stores strings, saving complex data like arrays or objects needs a little extra work. You use JSON.stringify to turn objects or arrays into strings before storing. When retrieving, you use JSON.parse to turn the string back into its original form. For example, if you want to save a list of tasks, you'd write local storage, setItem, tasks, JSON.stringify, task 1, task 2. To get it back, you'd write let tasks is equal to JSON.parse local storage getItem, tasks. You can use local storage for many practical things. Save user preferences like theme or language. Store session data that you want to keep even if the user closes the browser. Cache data to reduce server requests or create simple to-do lists that remember what you typed. In your web development workflow, you can interact with local storage directly in JavaScript or through the browser's developer tools console for quick testing. For example, you can save data with local storage setItem, retrieve it with getItem, remove specific data with removeItem, or clear everything with clear. Remember, local storage is synchronous, so it works instantly but can slow down if you store too much data. It usually has a limit of about 5 megabytes, so it's best for small to medium amounts of data. In summary, local storage is a straightforward way to keep data on the client side. It's perfect for saving string data that needs to stay available across browser sessions. Using simple JavaScript methods like setItem, getItem, removeItem, and clear makes it easy to manage your stored data. This tool is essential for web developers who want to create more personalized and persistent web experiences.